most of y'all know, Rec Room got shut down about a month ago. And, well, as you can see, I'm in Rec Room, but actually I'm not. A game called MeowNet, I think is what it was called, or Meow Room. Anyway, this is supposed to feel like old Rec Room, you know, like the start, the very, very start. I didn't make a video on it, when it shut down or anything, but I was there. It's kind of saddening. Yeah, I don't know. Hey, look, there's
Your very own Rec Room watch.
the watch.
Think of your watch as your go-to place for all things in Rec Room. Everything from settings, to messaging with friends, to choosing what room to visit next. And that's it. With your watch, you're free to go anywhere you want to. Have fun, and welcome to Rec Room.
Oh my god. The old level 0. There's no way. Oh, I remember this. Look at it. The memories, oh my god. Sorry guys, I have stick drift. Taking me a little bit. Bro, yeah, I have to go. I have to go teleport mode. Okay. The old menu, oh my god. I can't remember. Oh, there we go. Look at it. I forgot what he looked like, but oh, I don't like that big that. Okay. Yeah. I don't even little smiley guy. Oh, I remember. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, there he is! Oh my gosh, look at him! Oh, I remember him. The horrible kill enemy. Oh. Oh. Oh yeah. The bed. Can I? Oh. Okay guys, we are in No Eyes. Oh. Oh yeah, you're very handsome. Okay. Loading of players. Oh, the animation is so horrible like that. Oh no, stop again. Whatever it's called. $19.87.
Yeah, finally home. Should check the news to see what's happening around here.
Breaking news! We have a lot of reports of some people dying in the near towns and forests. The corpses were found by police officers, where the corpses were brutally mutilated, I can't say that properly, mutilated, and we're missing eyes. If you know what the hell is going on, please call the police about this, because we have no idea what's going on. We're thinking that's a serial killer going on. Anyway, I want to get a cup of coffee. See you later.
Cool.
That was weird, but nonetheless, I should probably get some sleep, and hope I don't end up like one of those guys on the TV. Ugh.
Okay. Also, why are you trying to sleep daytime?
That news broadcast is probably going to give me nightmares. Hopefully it doesn't.
I don't know how they give you nightmares, but okay. No eyes.
Why is there blood writing on the wall and the creepy smiley face? I'm probably
So
seeing
casual.
things. Probably a few days.
I know you're there. Excuse me, before I start hunting you down, I want to kill this pathetic human. This is gonna be lots of fun, torturing you, Will. I'm after you. See you soon.
What is that thing? Am I on something? Was there something in, was there something in that food or something? Was there some, what?
Okay. Okay. I'm literally. Oh, why are you spinning me again? Yes. Oh, here's what I need. Can I have that? Hey, thank you. Gosh. Table. Respect. Thank you. You're dead. Coolio. Okay. Oh. Okay. Well, that was a little fun, you know, experiencing Rec Room again when it was, well, you know, years ago. Well, anyway, thanks for watching. Next time, I'll try to get Chills and Chill Guy or something. If I can, anyway. They can't play right now or anything, but, you know, yeah. Anyway, sorry for not posting in a while. And, yeah. Alright, didn't really know what to post. Bye. You can end it now. You know you can end it now, right? Yeah, okay.